So we're going to be soft washing this area at Huntington High School. Then we're going to be steam cleaning it. So all this area will be sanitised and safe for all the children to be able to have the lunch here. So here's the final result. That's the difference. It's all wet. You can see where it's dried. All the paving slabs are clean. Using the soft wash system and the Doff, so it's going to be all sterilised as well. So safe for the children to have the lunch in here. So if you need anything soft washing, any external cleaning, anything steam cleaned, you can call us on 0800 970 6875.